In this video, I will show you how to download and install Unity step by step. Firstly, we need to go to unity.com website. In website, we need to click download button. It will lead to another page where a new download button will be for your operation system. For me, it is download for Windows. Click on it. If downloading is blocked, just click on download icon and select download unverified file. Downloading process will start. When it's finished, locate installer file and double-click it. Now installation is as usual. Agree with terms. Select place where to install and press install. When installation is finished, press finish and wait a bit for Unity loading. Now you can sign in if you have existing account, or just press create account and file up form. After, you need to confirm your email. Just go to your email and find message from Unity with confirmation link. When confirmation is completed, go back to Unity and sign in. Now we need to install Unity Editor by clicking blue button. It will take really long. If it fails, just press retry. I had old versions, so first time installation failed, but after retry it finished. When it's done, you will see installation completed. Now you can go to projects, create new project, and start Unity in your new project. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.